Having a visual timeline is integral to planning a project and seeing where there could be possible overlaps in work being done. Gantt charts in FunctionFox allow you to see the timeline in deeper detail to better understand what has been done and what is upcoming. Found inside of Traffic in both the Premier and in-house versions of FunctionFox, this page allows you to look at a detailed timeline of every project you have in the system. To view a project timeline, simply click on the project you want to see. The chart will show meetings in gray, milestones in blue, and actions in one of four colors. Green means the action has been completed, yellow means the action has not been started, orange shows that the action is currently in progress, and lastly red, which means overdue. If you want more information on any part of the chart, simply click it to have another window pop with the information regarding the item. You can edit the item here if need be. You can also edit the dates of items without opening another window. To move to another date, simply drag and drop the item where you want it to be. Clicking on the edges will also allow you to extend or decrease the number of days an action is assigned for as well. The chart also has some customization options too. First, if you want to change the date you're looking at, click the calendar icon on the left, then select your date. This will move the chart accordingly. If you need to move back to today's date, simply hit the icon beside it. You can also use the magnifying glass to increase or decrease the date range that you see on the chart. Lastly, you can add new actions, meetings, and milestones by hitting the Add Items on the left. This gives you the capability to build schedules and easily see the timeline as it is created. These are just the basics of the Gantt chart in FunctionFox, but if you have more questions about it or any other features in FunctionFox, give us a call or email at staycreative@functionfox.com, and we would be happy to help you and your team stay creative.